Welcome to StorX. In this video, we'll walk you through how to upload and restore Outlook emails using StorX. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your account at storx.io. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Backup section from the side navigation bar. Under Manual Backup, locate Microsoft 365 and click on Connect Microsoft 365. Click Connect, then select your account or enter your Microsoft credentials to sign in. After a successful connection, you will see Outlook listed as an available service. Click on it. You will now be able to view the emails from your Outlook inbox. Select the emails you want to back up and click on Upload. Once the upload is complete, a success notification will appear. To verify your uploaded emails, navigate to the Vault section from the side navigation bar and reload the page. You will find a vault named Outlook, which is automatically created to store your uploaded emails. Click on this vault to view your backed up emails. If you wish to restore an email, simply select it and click on Restore. Choose the account where you want the email to be restored. Once the process is completed, a success notification will appear. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and restored your Outlook emails using StorX. Thank you for choosing StorX, your trusted solution for secure and decentralized data storage. See you in the next video.